G'day guys and girls. Here's a short little instructional video on using the Bissell Spot Clean with two of our great Australian products to move another great Aussie product, the meat pie.
Now, because it's such a wet and chunky mess, you want to rub her up. Get those gloves on, pick it up from the outside to the center, and remove as much as you can from the surface of the carpet. Then get a damp microfiber cloth and pull the remaining residue off the carpet. Don't rub it back in. That's the big thing to remember here. Now get a bottle of our Fabricadabra fabric cleaner to use as a pre-cleaner for anywhere there is heavier mud, staining, or in this case, that drop meat pie. It works to loosen the contaminants from the fibers in a super safe and effective way. Spray it directly into the areas you need to deep clean. Then get a nice soft bristle brush like our plush brush here and gently rub the area back and forth. Note that you would not use the brush for normal carpet cleaning, but when using it with the Spot Clean machine, it works a bloody treat. Now leave the carpet to sit for a few minutes, allowing the product to do its cleaning magic. Fill up the Spot Clean's clean tank with warm water to just below the labelled watermark. Grab a bottle of our pH neutral all-purpose cleaner orange agent. This citrus-based cleaner has lots of uses, including being the cleaning liquid for the Spot Clean. Measure out 20 mils and then add this to the clean water tank. Close it off, hold your finger on the tabs, shake it well to mix up the orange agent. Slot the tank back into the machine and then we're ready to go. The Bissell is a great compact consumer unit and it works by spraying the cleaning solution into the carpet and then you suck it back up in the vacuum part of the head. You begin the cleaning process by obviously turning the machine on and holding the head 10 centimeters away from the surface. Use the finger trigger and spray over the entire area you'll be cleaning. The head also has a great built-in brush that helps further release the gunk that's in the carpet. Place the head on the carpet, pull the trigger, and with a firm pressure on the head, slowly pull it backwards in a straight line. Use an east-west motion over the entire area and then do it again in the opposite north-south direction. This is to ensure you have cleaned the entire area thoroughly. Now we have a critical part. Apply the machine's head to the surface, but don't use the trigger to release any more liquid. You want to suck up all the water and gunk from the surface as you slowly run over it with a firm pressure in that same overlapping east-west and north-south motion. You might have to do this last stage a couple of times till barely any water is being sucked up into the head. Once you're done, inspect the area well. If there's still some staining, do that area a second time. After you're happy the area is all done, check the Spot Clean's dirty liquid tank with everything that's been removed from the carpet. The full mark on the dirty tank is quite optimistic. You'll never fill it to that mark, so don't use it. When the machine makes a high-pitched whine, you know it's time to stop and drain the tank. After the job's done, it's time to pack it all up. Begin this by rinsing out both the dirty and clean tanks in the sink, then put them back in the machine with the top plastic bungs open. This is so they have a chance to dry out and not become mold infested. Then wrap the hose around the machine and place the machine head in its holder. Then roll the electrical cord back up as well. This compact unit is now ready to store away till the next time you need it. It's important to put your clean carpets outside in the sun for a few hours, or if you're working on the seats or carpet inside the car, park it outside in the sun with your doors open or at least the windows down so it can all dry right out. We've found this little machine bats well above its average, especially when teamed with our Aussie-made car care formulas. It's a great addition to any car detailing kit and it's pretty good around the house as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.